Jump. Yo, so the two of us no say come in na next year. As I said, I will be group. Ka carry go because I don't so. To some friend no. As one can so bit you know. But they are about that couple for kasem. So be ya. To just share so we can so bit be. Jump.
Excellency, the Canadian High Commissioner to Ghana.
Jump.
I bring you warm greetings from Asantehene. I bring you warm greetings from Asantehene and from the government and people of Ghana.
Jump.
It is a distinct honor for me to join you here today at this historic Sankofa Square.
Jump.
The name of this square eloquently reminds us of a timeless truth that it is not a taboo to go back and retrieve what is valuable from the past.
Jump.
Today we gather not merely to celebrate sports, but to celebrate the enduring spirit of the Ghanaian people,
Jump.
our rich culture, and the ever-growing bond between Ghana and Canada.
Jump.
By coming together for this endeavor and opening this Ghana Sports Village, we are planting the rich, vibrant seeds of Ghanaian culture firmly into the fertile soil of Canada.
Jump.
We are building a cultural sanctuary. This village stands as a beacon for Ghanaian unity, a place where our traditions thrive, and a home away from home for the Ghanaian diaspora.
Jump.
Sports and culture have unique divine powers and have always been the great unifiers. They transcend borders, languages, and backgrounds,
Jump.
bringing people together under one umbrella of excellence and camaraderie.
Jump.
Sports and culture break down borders, unites historical adversaries,
Jump.
and heal divisions. As our beloved Black Stars prepare to take the pitch today at the BMO field against Panama, this sports village stands as a symbol of our collective heartbeat. The eyes of the world are upon Toronto, and the pride of our nation rests on the shoulders of our Black Stars.
Jump.
Beyond the excitement of the football matches, this gathering represents a deepening of the economic and cultural bilateral relationship between Ghana and Canada.
Jump.
Yesterday, during our business engagements, we spoke of trade, green energy, and institutional partnerships.
Jump.
Today, through this endeavor, we showcase the cultural infrastructure that underpins those partnerships.
Jump.
Ghana is open for business,
Jump.
open for tourism, and open for collaboration.
Jump.
We invite our Canadian friends to experience the warmth of our heritage through the food,
Jump.
the music, the textiles, and the arts displayed in this village.
Jump.
To our diaspora community in Toronto and across Canada, you are our greatest ambassadors. You carry the resilience, the intellect, and the warm hospitality of our homeland in your daily, everyday lives.
Jump.
Do not lose your identity. Teach your children our language,
Jump.
our customs, and our values.
Jump.
This village is a home away from home, a place together to cheer and to remember who you are.
Jump.
To the government and people of Canada, I extend our deepest gratitude for the hospitality you've shown to our community.
Jump.
A peaceful and welcoming environment you provide allows our people to thrive,
Jump.
innovate, and contribute meaningfully to the Canadian society while proudly retaining their Ghanaian identity.
Jump.
My deepest gratitude to the Canadian Ghana Chamber of Commerce,
Jump.
the Ghana High Commission, and the local Toronto authorities who have worked tirelessly to make this grand vision a reality.
Jump.
Let this sports village be a beacon of our culture and a hub of positive engagement. As we celebrate this Day of Chiefs, let us remember the values of unity, respect, and community that have sustained through the ages.
Jump.
But before I finish, please, let's say thank you also to the Canadian High Commissioner to Ghana, who made it possible for this to come.
Jump.
She has been instrumental in my visit. She came to talk to me about, Majesty, when are you visiting Canada? I said, it's in your hands, I don't know when. And she said, I'll make sure you visit Canada.
Jump.
And so my being here, gratitude to her and the Canada-Ghana Chamber of Commerce.
Jump.
We thank you very much.
Jump.
Madam Ambassador and Madam High Commissioner. Madam High Commissioner, thank you for making it possible.
Jump.
It was over dinner, and then you jokingly threw this visit up, and I said, how do I go to Canada when I don't have any invitation?
Jump.
And you said, I'll make it possible.
Jump.
And that possibility is now here, and I'm sitting here on the soil of your country.
Jump. Jump.
It says, my singular honor and privilege to declare the Ghana Sports Village at Sankofa Square in Toronto officially open.
Jump.
May God bless our national team. May God bless the Republic of Ghana. And may God bless Canada.
Jump.
Thank you very much.
Jump. Jump.